This is into chapter problem 9.09 from the CFA Institute textbook, Corporate Finance, a practical approach. And this is another simple multiple guess problem. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the current ratio and the cash ratio? The current ratio is cash plus inventory plus accounts receivable plus other current assets divided by current liabilities. The cash ratio is just the cash portion of current assets divided by current liabilities. So the current ratio and the cash ratio shouldn't bear any relationship to one another is not true, because the cash ratio is actually just a part of the current ratio. The current ratio is at least equal to the cash ratio, but must be larger. Well, the only way it could be smaller is to have negative inventory, negative accounts receivable, or negative other current assets. So problem B, and those wouldn't make any sense in a normal world. So the current ratio is at least equal, even if those other if the inventory, accounts receivable, and other current assets were zero, then they'd be equal to each other. If you've got $1 in any one of those other accounts, the current ratio would be higher than. All right, and the cash ratio is at least equal to the current ratio and maybe larger. Well, it can't be larger because the cash ratio is a subsection of the current ratio.